Good morning students. Today we are discussing the topic and chapter is 9th chapter. The topic is mirror images. Let's see all of you. Do you know mirror image? Did you see your face on a mirror? Yes, everyone will see. Let's see now page number 115, mirror image. Once all of you see this mirror image. When you look at a mirror, you see your own image. When you look at a mirror, you see your own visage. Did you see? Yes. This is your reflection. What is that? That is our reflection. Okay. Your image will be reflected to you. Right? Yes. The reflection is at the same distance from mirror as you are. See, the reflection is at the same distance from mirror as you are. You will see the mirror from this distance, right? You will maintain some distance to mirror to you, right? So that distance is shows to mirror inside reflection image. Okay, the mirror to reflection image maintains the distance. Okay, let's see the image M. In the mirror, it looks same, right? M looks the same. It turns this side, right? It's same. For suppose if you are take B, the mirror image comes like this. Right? For example, if you are taken a triangle, if it is like this, it comes like this. It will turn this side. Okay, it will turn this side. Okay? That is an image. Let's see. See, this distance and this distance are same. Okay? Let's see. Here also we have M image, mirror image or mirror reflection. B mirror image or mirror reflection, and triangle reflection. Here some picture reflection. So like that we have here some pictures. All these are examples of reflection. These all are the reflection examples. Look at the figure given below. Are they reflection of each other? See the first picture, B. Looks like this in the mirror? No, it's not look like this. This is not a reflection of B. That is a reflection of this. Right? Yes. So this is not a reflection. See this T. It looks like this. No, this is not a reflection. So these two are not a reflection. These are just rotated from right to left. These are just rotate from right to left. If you rotate right to left, it's look like this. If you rotate this right to left, it's look like this. Right? But these are not a own reflections. Okay, let's see. The page number 115, 9.3 exercise, first one. Take on the figure which are symmetrical. Which are symmetrical. Symmetrical means, can you draw the symmetric line? For suppose, if you are take B, See the pictures. O, J, L, C. Can you draw the symmetric lines or not? Yes, we can draw. See the middle? We can draw the symmetric line. Not here. Here we can draw. Right? Here also we can draw the symmetric lines. Here? No. Here? No. But here we can. We can. And here? Yes. We can draw the symmetric lines, two symmetric lines. So this is also correct. So we can draw B, 0 and rectangle. Okay, we can draw the same pictures, symmetric lines. Let's see now, second one. Draw the line of symmetry for each of the following. Draw the line of symmetry for each of the following. You draw the symmetry here. All of you must see the picture A, next B, next T, next line, next three circles. Okay, so you draw the symmetric lines. You draw the symmetric lines. Next A, B, C. Let's see. Draw the symmetric line here. We can draw a symmetric line in the middle of the A. Okay. Here also we can middle of the B. Okay. If you are to take the symmetric line, this is one half, this is one half exactly. If you are take like this is the separate half, this is separate half. That comes separately, not like a mirror image. Okay. Can you draw it? Yes. This is one half, this is one half. And draw here also. We will get the same parts. Next, here. Okay. These are the symmetric lines of this picture. If you can, we can draw like this also. If you are separate this half and this half also same. See 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. If you are divide this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 half, 2 halves will be separate. So how many symmetric lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 symmetric lines of that picture. What is that picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines it means. That means 6 straight lines are there. Then what is that? Hexagon. What is this? Hexagon. Let's see the next one. That is third one. Are the things given below examples of reflections? See the pictures. Are they reflection of the pictures? Are the things given below examples of reflections? Is it right reflection? See here, A is a correct reflection. B, is it comes like this? No. The triangle, yes, it's look like this. A. A is also same. Next, B. So, which are correct? This one is wrong because B is not reflect like this. It reflects like this. So, this is wrong. And this is a triangle. It will rotate like this. The reflection is reverse reflection. So, this is also correct. Let's see this A. A is also correct. Next B. B is wrong. Okay? Do like this. Once all of you note down. Let's see the fourth one. 4. Draw the mirror image of each of the following. First, take a mirror image. These are the mirror images or reflections of the pictures. We have the circle topics in this class. We have the circle topic also there. In this class, I will tell about the topic. Okay? You must do all these sums examples. Okay, now you take anything, you take any one diagram and you draw the reflections. Okay, thank you children.